System errors causing the ESLog module DLL crashes in ESET Antivirus. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for ESLog module, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the ESLog module, the primary logging library for ESET security products. It handles the recording of scan results and threat detection logs. If missing, the ESET interface will fail to display protection history, and the service may hang while attempting to write a threat event to the disk. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as ESLog module DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the ESLog module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. A quick safety warning: never download files like ESLog module DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If missing library references are recurring, the software link below provides general information on maintaining ESLog module. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching ESLog module today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.